Hey, what's going on everyone? My name is Alex and today I'm really excited because I'm here at 5 o'clock in the morning for sunrise at Box Hill. So the walk that I'm doing today is called the Box Hill, Lodge Hill and Juniper Hill walk. It's a 12.5 kilometre round trip. If you come on this walk, you can follow along on the All Trails app, but you can also follow the Box Hill hike routes. It's a red arrow along this whole route. So we'll be following along with those today as well. So let's get into the walk. This isn't something you see every day on a walk. Abandoned car. Don't know how it must have got here. It's not something you see every day. Crazy. So some of the hills that you have to climb up on this walk are pretty intense. It's definitely not for the faint-hearted. Elevation gain of this walk is 570 meters, which is quite a long way to climb. So make sure if you're going to come on this walk that you're prepared. So we've finally reached some flat ground. It's about 7:30 in the morning, but it's getting really hot. So I'm going to have to change. So there are a lot of hills and steps on this walk. If you're walking up a hill, best thing to do is just look a couple of steps in front. Just focus on that. Don't focus on the top because you get yourself demoralized. Some of the steps on this walk and some of the hills are very steep. And think about that end goal. Is it fitness you want to achieve? Or are you training for a trip? It's nice to get out early as well. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning now. We've been walking for about 2 hours. Get up, get some activity in your day, and then keep on going. And we're at the top now. So we've done 11.5 kilometers so far, and we're coming up the last hill of the walk. This is exactly the sort of training that I'm gonna need for when we go to Peru. We'll be going to the Lake District soon as well, climbing up Scafell Pike, which is the highest peak in England, and probably up to Scottish Highlands to do Ben Nevis, which is the highest peak in the UK as well. So this sort of training is perfect, and it helps you if you have a goal. Visualize it, train up for it, and smash through it. Now this hill, the very last one of the walk, is intense. There's not a lot of grip. You're on the grass. It's going to be a tough one. Let's go. Oh, this is a tough one. Whoa, definitely gets the blood pumping. So we've made it back to the viewpoint after about 2.5 hours of walking, 12.5k, 570 meters on an incline. It's a tough one. So if you're gonna come here, make sure that you've got the stamina, maybe do some training on some of the other walks that I've done videos on, because this one is a tough one. But it's been so nice coming early in the morning because there's barely been anybody about here at all. And at the moment, we're gonna have some breakfast and sit over and watch this view. So that's all from me. Thanks very much for watching. Share the video, send it to your friends, like, follow the page, subscribe, and I'll see you all next week.